This channel is tailored towards the entire spectrum of forex trading, right from beginners, intermediate traders, and even advanced traders. Hello guys, my name is Dr. Josh, full-time medical doctor and a part-time forex trader. Welcome to my channel. In this channel we will not be focusing on the fake forex lifestyles, but we want to engage in some more fundamental and engaging endeavors. So one will be focused mainly on education. We don't claim to have a lot or to know too much on forex trading, but we want to support each other in this journey with like-minded people. So on education, we'll be focusing on technical analysis, we'll be focusing on fundamentals, we'll be focusing on trading systems that I have tried and that I see around and that can be tried and tested with us. We'll also be focusing on mindset and psychology, and also of course money management. Secondly, in this channel we'll be sharing a lot of stories. Since I was introduced into forex trading in 2018 rolling to 2019, I've gathered a lot of experience, part-time trading, skipping trading, and also trying to trade a bit more often. So I have a lot of stories that I can share that I've experienced in losing money, making money, and different perspectives that I find in forex, and hopefully these stories will correlate with some of the things that you guys also going through, and perhaps you can support each other. Also on this very channel we will also be collaborating with like-minded people, especially in terms of invitations. You can invite guests and there that can teach us something we do not know, also that those can also just share their experiences in the markets, so that you can also learn from each of them and also see where all of us can go. Who is this channel for? This channel is tailored towards the entire spectrum of forex trading, right from beginners, intermediate traders, and even advanced traders. I do not claim to have a lot or to know too much, so that we leave others behind, but I want to share what I know from the basics, and also those that might be above me. Also, I would love to invite others that can also shed light on it. But also even forex enthusiasts, those who are not trading actively but are interested to know something, one or two, about forex trading. This channel is also suitable for you, because we will delve into just sharing anything and everything concerning forex.